India is poised to take a leap from being a developing country to a developed one. And with projects in infrastructure, IT complexes, highways and power plants, we have been a part of this transformation. To some, visionary ideas like Make in India and green energy have been merely a passing buzzword used one day and gone the next. But for us, these have become crucial milestones in our journey, paving the way for us to innovate and change, and thus pioneer the building of world-class rebars while reducing our carbon footprint at the same time. This is us. We are the Pulkit Group. The Pulkit Group has manufacturing units in Srikalahasti and Puducherry in India and in Lagos in Nigeria. The vital cog in our march towards sustainability is our green energy via windmills in Erode and Tirunelveli district, combined with waste heat recovery boilers in Kalahasti and gas-based power plants in Nigeria. We are not just nation builders. We are invested in the health of our future generations. Beginning his humble journey as a trader of ferrous materials in 1987, our founder, Mr. Vinod Garg, foresaw the transformation of India. The transformation we are living today. Growing from a 2,400 metric ton per annum manufacturer to one of the largest manufacturers of TMT and CRS bars in South India, we now have a diverse product portfolio with a capacity of over 600,000 tons per annum. His constant focus on innovation and responsible business has led to Pulkit becoming India's first steel company to be pollution-free. Our founder's customer-centric approach ensures that we build a company that adapts to the latest technology while keeping in mind the environment. To produce trademark Pulkit TMT Bars, which are known for their superior bendability and high strength. How do we do this? Integration is strength, and at Pulkit, we have mapped out 6 stringent quality checks. We start by procuring the finest quality iron ore from the best mines in the country and importing clean coal from South Africa. This sets the ball rolling in terms of reducing the pollutants that are released after the burning of iron ore and coal. The material is first analyzed, then screened and crushed into uniform size, thus giving our trademark consistency to every piece of the finished product. This processed material is then fed with the help of a controlled and highly mechanized feeding system into a rotary kiln. Our indigenous SLRN process, which consists of an 84-meter-long rotary kiln, where the material is processed for 9 hours at 1050 degrees centigrade, produces the sponge iron. The sponge iron is then cooled in the cooling kiln. Apart from our stringent quality checks, the entire process is closely monitored by our experienced team. The sponge iron now goes through our second quality check. It is screened, analyzed and sent to our furnace division. We manufacture 500 tons of high-quality, direct reduced iron every day, which has an iron content of 83 to 90%. Notably, we consume 100% of this manufactured DRI for our production of billets. Our foray into waste heat recovery has helped us use the 96,000 Newton-meter cubed of gases emitted every hour into generating 200 kilowatt-hour units of power. The sponge iron received at the 5 kg furnace is melted and is analyzed in the spectrometer, which instantly gives us its chemical composition of up to 32 elements. This is our third quality step as it gives us a peek into the final composition of our billets. The sponge iron and high-quality melting scrap is melted in the furnace at an average temperature of 1610 degrees. Our fourth quality check is to periodically review the composition, a step that ensures the consistency and quality of our billets. After the alloying takes place in the furnace, molten steel is then transferred to the ladle and taken to the continuous casting machine to be molded. We can produce billets up to 200 square millimeters. With advancements in steel making enabling hot billets to be transmitted directly into the TMT plant, our place at the forefront of this technology makes this our fifth quality control mechanism. The hot metal passes through an automatic cooling system to ensure uniform temperature distribution among the billets. The hot billets are now taken to our fully automated rolling machine, where they go through the 3 stages of thermomechanical treatment: quenching, self-tempering, and cooling. The 110 square millimeter billets are brought to sizes ranging from 8 millimeters to 32 millimeters. Here, we use the world-renowned TemCore process, which ensures our products are of superior quality, enhanced strength, and are more flexible than conventional TMT bars. Next, as the heated steel passes through the quenching boxes and are sprayed with high-pressure water, the outer surface of the bars become cold while the internal core remains hot. This gives the bar corrosion-resistant characteristics, giving it the strength to withstand fire hazards and a temperature rise of up to 600 degrees centigrade. The soft ferrite perlite core enables the bar to bear dynamic and seismic loading, making it earthquake resistant. It is during this process that the trademark Pulkit TMT rib pattern is made. This enables the TMT bar to bond better with concrete. In the final stage, the material is cut according to the customer's requirements and processed further for cooling. After this, our sixth and final quality check is carried out. The bars are tested for strength and elongation at the universal testing machine, and every single batch is recorded and traceable. Pulkit TMT bars can withstand bending and rebending with mandrel diameters of 2D and 4D respectively, due to its low carbon content and greater elongation. Further advantages are superior physical and chemical properties. Our application of computerized programmable logic control ensures the bars leaving the quenching box have uniform cooling, thus guaranteeing uniform strength. Advanced spectrometers and sophisticated laboratory equipment are installed in all of our plants. Our regional presence with a solid distribution and dealer network. Our 40,000 square foot shed yard allows us to deliver blue material to our customers on time, every time. While we at Pulkit strongly believe in giving back to the environment on the one hand, we are also mindful of the debt we owe to society and the people who make us stand tall and proud. The Pulkit Bar Benders Academy reaches out to young men who have dropped out of school prematurely to impart to them bar bending skills while helping them adapt to a disciplined and well-ordered work culture. In addition, our Pulkit First Aid Center in Puducherry offers treatment and medicines to the villagers free of cost. Pulkit also supports an old age home in Chennai, and every year Pulkit helps underprivileged couples by supporting a mass wedding event. Pulkit also provides clean drinking water to the villagers near our Kalahasti plant. Indeed, at Pulkit we are invested in the health of our future generations. We stand with pride and stand tall on the strength of our experienced people, effective technology, efficient process. We are more than steel. We are Pulkit.